another day.
Good morning, students. I have a few announcements today, beginning with a big congratulations to Steven for winning the state science fair. I also want to remind you that we have state testing this week, so please make sure you are studying and getting good grades. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, everyone, it's time to start class. Pull out your books, flip to page 246. Make sure that you're taking notes for your test on Friday. You know how important it is for you to pass this test, right, Brady?
Oh, yeah, right. I've studied all week.
Oh, great. Would you like to tell the class what you learned?
No, I'm good. I don't want to make them feel ashamed.
Well, I better see 100 on that test Friday.
Miss Frazzle, would you like the homework from last night?
What homework?
Oh, you mean the one that I assigned yesterday after you bolted out of class? For someone that says he's been studying, I'm surprised you haven't even done the homework. For everyone that did do the homework, please pass it in. Thank you. Okay, so this is a wide, shallow estuary in Southern California. Now, I am not an artist. It's just meadow, mountains. Okay, do any of y'all have questions on that? Okay, none? Gotcha. Is in Southern California. So if you ever go there, you can see this. Now we're going to look at what's it like living in an estuary. An estuary has to endure rapid and constant. Is there something that any of you would like to tell the class? You seem to be real preoccupied with your basketball bears and endless conversations. So let's stop class for today and have a discussion. Yes, Stephen?
But Miss Frazzle, how else are we supposed to learn how the Earth scatters white light and travels in shorter, smaller waves and reflects on the ocean to make the sky appear blue?
Bro, sure. Oh.
Seriously, Steven, you're so lame. Have some fun for once.
Oh, you mean like falling asleep in class or bullying? You seem to be real ashamed of a few things you can't admit.
Yeah, like how he pretends he's the best football player in the school.
What'd you say, trombone? It's not a trombone, it's a saxophone. If you're gonna make an insult, at least get it right. Whatever. Who goes to band wanting to play saxophone anyway?
Okay, class, that's enough. You guys should not be making comments like these to one another. But while we're on the topic, what are you ashamed of? And why are you ashamed of it?
Well, probably because some of us have to deal with people like both of them. I mean, it's not fair. We all have different talents. We should just appreciate those different talents.
That's a good point, Tyler, and I agree with you. Brady, why don't you tell us what you're ashamed of? Or why do you make others feel ashamed for what talents that they have?
What am I ashamed of? I think I'm ashamed of playing the saxophone. Oh wait, that's Tyler.
Brady, if you're going to take this discussion seriously, then you don't need to be talking at all. This is a safe space for everyone, and if you're disrupting that, then I will see you on detention on Friday. So, Stephen, what are you ashamed of?
I don't know. I try not to be ashamed of things that interest me or make me unique. We're all different, and that's what makes us special. The Bible tells us not to be ashamed, and that's where I find my confidence and ignore anyone that tries to knock me down.
That's a good point. Usually in certain schools, teachers or any other staff members aren't allowed to mention religion. And I can't tell you that I've been scared, discouraged, and even ashamed to share it. Students aren't the only ones that get bullied or made fun of. So, Brady, are you ready to share? What are you ashamed of?
I think I get ashamed when I lose a football game. I don't like disappointing my teammates, my school, or my dad. It makes me feel small.
That's a big burden to carry. I like to look at a Bible verse to help me remember that I should not be ashamed of my faith. Romans 1:16 says, "For it is in the power of God for salvation for everyone who believes." Thank you for sharing that. And I hope that this discussion will help us all understand one another and help us make new friendships. Well, that was beautiful, but since we're on the topic, I think I'm in the wrong class.
Attention teachers, if random kid is in your class, please send him to my office.
Oh, that's my cue.